Picture windows. Miami Beach is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their views and increase natural light. Our custom window designs cater to the unique architectural styles found in Miami Beach, FL, ensuring that each installation complements the aesthetic of your home. Energy-efficient windows are a must in the Miami climate, helping to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. Window replacement services in Miami Beach offer a wide range of options, including impact-resistant windows that provide added security and protection against storms. Residential window solutions are tailored to meet the needs of Miami Beach homeowners, while commercial window services cater to businesses looking to improve their storefronts. Window replacement Miami Beach services are available for those needing quick fixes or complete overhauls. Sliding glass doors are a staple in Miami Beach homes, offering seamless indoor-outdoor living. Hurricane windows are essential for Miami residents, providing peace of mind during storm season. Window tinting services in Miami Beach help reduce glare and protect interiors from UV damage. Frameless windows offer a sleek, modern look that is perfect for contemporary homes in Miami Beach. Window maintenance is crucial for preserving the longevity and performance of your windows. Double-pane windows in Miami offer superior insulation, while window glazing services in Miami Beach ensure optimal energy efficiency. Window sealing and window caulking are essential for preventing drafts and moisture intrusion. Window cleaning services in Miami keep your windows sparkling and clear. Window hardware in Miami Beach includes a variety of options to enhance functionality and security. Window screens in Miami are a practical addition, keeping insects out while allowing fresh air in. Window shutters in Miami Beach provide both aesthetic appeal and protection from the elements. Window blinds in Miami offer versatile light control and privacy options. Window treatments in Miami Beach can transform the look of any room with a wide selection of styles and materials. Window film installation in Miami provides additional privacy and UV protection. Window consultation services in Miami Beach help homeowners make informed decisions about their window needs. Picture windows. Miami Beach installations are expertly crafted to highlight the beauty of the surrounding landscape. Custom Windows Miami Beach services offer personalized solutions to fit any design preference. Energy-efficient windows. Miami installations are designed to withstand the heat and humidity of the region. Window replacement Miami Beach services ensure that your home remains safe and stylish. Impact windows. Miami Beach installations provide robust protection against severe weather conditions. Residential picture windows. Miami services focus on enhancing the comfort and appearance of your home. Commercial windows. Miami Beach services are tailored to improve the functionality and aesthetics of business properties. Window replacement services. Miami offer prompt and reliable solutions for any window issue. Sliding doors. Miami Beach installations are perfect for maximizing space and light.